In Unreal Engine, the HUD class, which stands for Heads-Up Display, is a great tool to manage the UI overlay of a player. A heads-up display can, for example, contain a health bar, a minimap, crosshair, score, and many more things. Each human-controlled player has their own instance of a HUD in Unreal Engine. That also means that even though in split screen players share the same screen, each player has their own viewport with their own instance of a HUD. To create your own HUD class, you can directly inherit from HUD, and then there are two ways on how to proceed. First, you can create a new widget class for your HUD elements. Then you store a reference to this widget class in your HUD, and when the HUD is created, you also create an instance of the widget and add it to the viewport. However, another option is that you can directly draw HUD elements in your custom HUD class. For that, you can override the draw HUD function that gets called every frame and add functionality that draws certain HUD elements on the viewport of a player. Using the draw HUD function instead of creating a custom widget makes sense if you have a very simple design for your HUD. However, if you have a more complex design for your heads-up display, then it makes sense to create custom widgets and benefit from the visual component of the design process, which makes it easier to use, more flexible, and also easier to maintain. Another great thing about the HUD class is that you can access it from other places in the code since it is a part of the Unreal Engine game framework. For example, since the HUD is linked to a player, you are able to access the HUD instance for a player through the player controller. This is also true the other way around, so that you can easily access player information within the HUD since it is linked to a player controller instance. So if you plan to create a heads-up display for your game, consider using the HUD class because of its benefits. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.